Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the EQ and mixer and confirming ground and voltage. Safety first. Once done, locate the channel insert or the mix bus send and return because that determines cable type and routing. Now patch with balanced TRS or XLR leads, keeping cable runs short and labeled. Make sure channel fader is at unity and input gain trimmed low to avoid clipping. You're already in the signal path. Set the EQ flat, initially so you can hear changes as you engage bands. Next, route the signal through the EQ either via the insert point or by sending to an aux bus. Choose insert for inline processing and aux for parallel. Once routed, set the EQ output and mix controls to unity so levels remain consistent. Make small boosts or cuts, generally under 6 dB, to preserve headroom. When making surgical cuts, solo the channel and use a narrow Q. For tonal shaping, use a lower Q and sweep to find problematic or pleasing frequencies, while listening for phase. Finally, fade the process channel back into the full mix and a /B with the EQ bypassed so you can judge its impact. Trust your ears and make subtle adjustments. Make sure meters and phase indicators show a healthy signal and no clipping. If levels shift, rebalance gain staging at the mixer or EQ. If you encounter noise or no signal, bypass the EQ, swap cables, and isolate the channel to pinpoint the problem. These steps usually reveal grounding, routing, or faulty cable issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.